Hey guys! Oh, that was loud. Hey guys, welcome back to the LOL. In today's video, are you even recording? Sorry, you guys. Okay, so in today's video,
start all over.
Are going, no, I'm not gonna start all over. That took forever to learn. Anyways.
Oh, we're gonna get Slimsies on it.
Okay. So, anyways, we made the slime smoothie in my other video. It's labeled July 22nd, I think, 2018. Just because I forgot to put a title on it, and now
July 11th.
Whatever. and I can't go back.
It wasn't my fault, by the way. I pushed next and it just uploaded.
Yeah.
I was gonna do stuff to it, like put the title and then post it, but it just randomly.
Yeah,
posted.
it didn't work. So that's what it's called.
And we're gonna name this video. That's what it's called. Yeah.
Anyways, this is the slime smoothie that we made in that video, and this is another slime smoothie.
We mixed stuff. We didn't make it.
Yeah, we mixed. And then I mixed stuff into this one in one of my other videos. It's the fluffy slime. It's now actually like a glossy slime. It's really nice. So anyways, we are going to be mixing both of these slime smoothies together.
The whole camera is shaking because you're doing that.
Anyways, we are going to be mixing these two slime smoothies together because it's going to be awesome. Alright.
Wait, you never said you were mixing them.
Yes, I did.
Oh, well, I wasn't paying attention like always.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Anyways,
We call it standing.
Okay, anyways, let's...
Have you showed them what we're using to make it stand?
Alright. Alright, so here are the two slimes. So before I mix these together, hey, stop looking at my party. Okay. Before I mix these two things together, these two slimes together, let's go ahead and guess which color it's going to turn. So, Jesse, what do you think?
Okay, I think it's gonna turn. Yeah. Okay, in my opinion, that's gonna turn. I have to go with pink.
No, I feel like it's going to turn like a purplish, grayish color.
A purplish brown?
Yeah, because this is actually kind of like
Brown.
purple.
If you look at it.
No, it's actually gray, but it has a tint of purple. So I'm pretty sure when you mix these two, it's going to turn like a purplish gray. Alright, so let's get to mixing these together. So I'm just going to stack them on each other. That happened. Okay.
Wait, how come I can't touch it? Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Whatever. Oh, it's sticky. Wait, it's gonna be even bigger, and we're gonna be able to play catch even more.
No, we're not playing catch with this. Alright.
Why?
Anyways.
What?
It's weird because like this blue slime is so thick, and then this grayish, purplish slime.
It's ugly.
Yeah,
It's
also
thin.
ugly, but it's so thin, so it's hard to.
Like
mix
if you do this, watch it show one piece.
so thin.
It's thin, and then let me get a piece of the blue that hasn't been touched.
It's so
Look
thick.
at that.
It's thick
thick.
and rubbery.
Watch, look at this is how you can tell. So stretchy gray.
The non-stretchy.
Where's the blue piece that hasn't been touched? Look at it.
Non-stretchy.
It was falling off the table, but it couldn't fall because it didn't stretch.
So you guys.
Where are you?
Hi.
Oh.
You broke my scissors. Anyways, we'll put that back. And you fix it.
The volume's on mute.
Alright. So,
Dang, girl.
I like to do that. So, anyways, this slime is actually turning out pretty good.
It's going to be
It
pink,
feels
obviously.
nice. It's not going to be pink.
Actually,
I feel like it's going to be a bluish gray.
no.
Bluish pink, or bluish purple.
Well,
No, I
no.
think it's going to turn, since the gray is on top of the blue, it doesn't really give away a lot.
It's going to turn, what color in this room? It's going to turn like that color right there, or that. Right.
This color? No way. It's not going to turn.
Way?
It's probably going to turn the color of your hair. It's blue.
No, it's
He dyed
not.
his hair blue.
It's not dye.
Or he colored his hair blue. Okay, guys, I was right. It's a navy blue.
That's
I
ugly.
said grayish blue and grayish
It's
blue.
stretchy now. No, it's not. You have to stretch it.
It is. Let's just stretch it.
Instagram swear. Oh my gosh.
I mean, I'm stretching it.
Make sure it doesn't touch the ground. Okay.
Okay.
Listen, Linda, listen.
No, again. Okay. This is actually really nice. It's
No,
super
it's
thick.
not.
No, it actually is. It's really.
I didn't get to feel the foam bead. Yeah, it's ugly.
It's really thick, and I actually kind of like the color.
You just pull it away from me.
And if you guys, I will mix my third slime smoothie.
No,
Yes.
don't.
I will.
Why?
If you guys want me to, I will mix my third.
Wait, hold on. What are they called?
So that one.
No, but what are they called, Raquel?
What?
Most YouTubers name their fan base. What is it?
I don't know. Anyways.
Raquelers?
No. Anyways.
Reckless?
This guy right here.
This.
Ow! Wait a minute.
Let me see. Does it hurt? No,
I
it
hit my
does.
hand on here. I went like,
She stained her hands a billion times today.
yeah, but I washed.
You just pulled it away from me.
I know.
Selfish.
So this slime is actually very good. It's like, it's super.
Why is it doing that? It's moving by itself. Watch, when I turn it, it does.
You have to do this.
Oh, how am I supposed to know? Boy?
All
But look it. Do you see
You
that?
have to twist it like. Well, that happened. Okay, just hold it like this. Anyways. Okay, you guys. That's my showdown. He broke it.
You broke it.
So I keep calling this a he. So this slime.
Rosita.
Yes, Rosita. Actually, no, it should be Blue Zeta. Because it's blue.
Rosita Shakira.
Yeah, whatever.
Ya sé que van a ser
Blue Zeta
Viana.
Shakira.
Bueno, Bianca.
Okay. Whatever. This slime is Blue Zeta. That's what I'm
Let's put on some music. Oh,
No, we're not putting on.
we can't put on music.
So this.
Cause
is
then-
Blue Zeta.
You want to know what'll happen if we get music on?
What?
Get copyright.
So this is Blue Zeta.
Her name is Rosita Shakina Rene Bianca.
No, it's Blue Zeta.
Rosita Shakina Rene Bianca.
No, Blue Zeta Shakira. Blue Zeta Shakira.
Okay, so it's Bluzita Shakira Rene Bianca.
Whatever. I'm calling her Blue Zeta.
Shakina Rene Bianca.
Yeah, Blue Zeta. Okay, so Blue Zeta
Shakina Rene Bianca.
is really thick.
Rosita Shakira Rene Bianca.
Whatever.
Rosita Shakira Rene
Okay, shut
Bianca.
up.
Okay, today's shout out goes
I
to.
don't have any shout outs today.
Well, too bad. Today's shout out goes to what's that
You.
girl's name? Cause she's like the only one that I know that's your friend. What's her name? Elena.
Elena.
Yeah,
Elena Ridge.
Elena
Anyways.
Ridge.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, you want to see? You want to get a good pop? Hold up. Let me I'm gonna put this down somewhere.
All right. Okay.
This is what I see. This is how tall I
This
am.
is so thick.
So when I look down, it's not that tall.
This is so thick. It's
Pop,
it's,
pop, pop.
It's actually really, really thick.
Okay,
I love this slime.
You guys are gonna pop it. Ready? Listen.
Whatever. Okay. So you guys, if you like this video, please smash that
This
thumbs up
9.
button. And don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Catch it. Catch it. Catch it.
Shoot.
Pathetic.